Located in Bloomington, Illinois lies the PJ Irving Disc Golf Course, where I'll be cooking rice, beans, quinoa, and steak fajitas with cheese. If you don't care about slower cooking, then just pause and you have a nice map, because I couldn't find a great one online. The first step is to take the raw steak and get it cooked. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and add the other ingredients and basically soak them and add water, and they'll kind of basically pressure cook. After that, we plate everything up and it's good to go. Yes, on fire.